Stop scrolling. If your phone keeps saying storage almost full, don't buy a new phone yet. There are hidden files inside the Chrome browser that are silently taking up space every single day. Most people don't even know they exist. In less than 1 minute, I will show you how to remove them safely. Plus 2 extra hidden places that can free up even more storage. So grab your phone, let's do it together. Step 1. Delete hidden website data. First, open your Chrome browser, tap on the three dots here. Now tap on Settings. Scroll down and click Site Settings. Scroll down again and click Data Stored. Here you see all the websites you have ever visited. Every one of them stores files, images, and other data that take up space on your phone. Now tap Delete all data. Then tap Delete to confirm. Step 2. Clear Chrome browsing data. So go back to Chrome main screen. Tap the three dots again. Tap Delete browsing data. Click the time range that says last 15 minutes. Change it to all time. Click on More Options. Make sure the items you want to remove are selected, then tap Delete. This clears all browsing files and frees up even more storage. Step 3. Clear downloaded files you don't need. Now open to My Files on your phone. Click on Download. Look through the files you have downloaded. Delete old videos, documents, APK files, and anything you no longer need. Many people forget about this folder, and it can take up several gigabytes of storage. Step 4. Empty your trash or recycle bin. Now open your Gallery app. Click on the menu and open the recycle bin or trash. Delete everything inside if you no longer need those files. So for you to delete it, click on the three dots, click on Empty, select, delete all. So guys, one more thing, we go back to My File, click on Trash, select all, empty them. So remember, deleted files can stay there for weeks and continue using your phone storage. And that is it. In just a few minutes, you have removed hidden website data, cleared old browsing files, deleted unnecessary download, empty your recycle bin to free up valuable storage on your phone. So guys, if this video helped you, share it with your family and friends because they probably have the same hidden files wasting space on their phone. Don't forget to follow and subscribe because I share simple Android tips, privacy tricks, and hidden phone features that most people never discover. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.